today I will show you a tutorial how to make a wiggly image. I received this question from Arsha. I'm so sorry if I misspell your name. And you are asking if it also works on raster image. My answer is probably yes. It's not only on raster image or vector image. You can use anything or maybe composition to make it wiggle. And I'll show you the tutorial.
Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!